Hello students, last day we discussed on the topic of computer networks advantages and disadvantages. Now today we discuss on the topic of computer network components. So what are computer network components? Computers are connected to a network using some special hardware devices which are called together network devices or network components. They are as follows: server, workstation, network interface card, router or router, hub, switch, bridge, repeater, transmission channels, gateway, modem, etc. Server is a computer that manages the network resources, software and files. It's normally designed for a particular task. For example, file server, which is used to manage storage and retrieve all files. Another server is print server, which is used to manage one or more printers on a network. Server is also the main computer on a computer network. Now the term is workstation. A computer which is connected to a network is called workstation. It is like a personal computer except that it is also connected to other computer along with server. A computer which is not a part of any network is known as standalone computer. Now, network interface card. Network interface card or NIC is a piece of hardware placed inside the motherboard. It is designed to allow computers to communicate over a computer network. NIC may be external or internal. According to the modern trend, most computers have their internal NIC. It is also referred as Ethernet card or a network adapter. Router or router. Router is a hardware device used to connect two or more computers into a single computer network. Router may be wired or may be wireless. Internet data comes into the router from telephone line and it is converted into radio signals. This signal is then picked up by the NIC in our computers, smartphones or gaming consoles and converted into again internet data. Hub. Hub is a device that connects multiple computers or the other network devices together in a single network. Two computers can communicate together directly for sending and receiving data. That's why they need an interface. A hub has multiple ports. A specific cable called Ethernet cable with RJ45 connector connects the hub to the NIC. The NIC transfers the data on a computer to a hub, which then transfers into the other connected computers. Switch. Switch is a multi-port device that improves network efficiency. The switch maintains the network traffic flow based on the address of the all connected devices. Switch is more intelligent than hub because a hub transfers the data received from NIC to all computers, but switch transfers the data on a specific computer. Bridge. Just like the word bridge is a device that used to connect two or more other hosts or servers computers together. The basic role of bridge in network is storing and forwarding data between different servers. It is used to divide large networks into smaller sections by placing between two physical network segments and managing the flow of data between two computers. Now is the term for repeater. Repeater is an electronic device that's used to amplify or speed up the signal receives, that means repeater receives a signal and retransmits the signal at a high level or higher power so that the signal can cover longer than 100 meters. Now, transmission channels. Transmission channels plays a role as connectors of the interconnected computers on a computer network. Transmission channels may be wired like coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optic cable, or wireless like microwaves, radio waves, etc. Gateway. Gateway is a device that connects two or more networks where each network has its own algorithm, protocols, and policies. Now the term for modem. Modem stands for modulator and demulator. Modem is used to transmit digital signals over analog telephone lines. That means it converts the digital signal into analog signal.